This is Rajaro PBV, Department of CSC, BVCC, Vadalrev. Today I am going to discuss about requirement engineering. Here, software requirement. A requirement is a detailed formal description of system functionalities. It specifies a function that a system or component must be able to perform for customer satisfaction. Actually, software requirements comes from the customer. They are used by the development team to develop software. Requirements are basically the services that the proposed system should have once it becomes an operational system. Here, a requirement is a detailed formal description of the system functionalities. A requirement specifies a function that a system or component must be able to perform for customer satisfactions. Requirements of software are defined in different ways in the literature, but the IEEE defines as requirement as a condition of capability of a system required by the customer to solve a problem or achieve an objective. And one more is a capability that a product must possess or something a product must do in order to ultimately satisfy customer needs, contract, constraints, standards, specifications, or formally imposed documents. Related to here, a document is represents of a condition or capability as in one or two. In this definition, representation of customers, the person who pays for a product and usually helps to discover the requirements. Here, suppliers produce a product for the customer. User is a person who operates or interact directly with the product. Contract is a legally binding document agreed upon the customer and the suppliers. A contract includes business, product and process requirements and constraints, technical and organizational requirements, estimated cost and schedule for a product, and commitments or expectations of the parties involved in the project. Constraint is a restriction on the degree of freedom in providing a solution. Related to here, the requirements of a systems are the description of the features or service of the system exhibits within the specified constraints. Here, the requirements collected from the customers or organization in some systematic manner and presented in the formal documents. These documents are simply we can call as SRS, that is Software Requirement Specification. Here, requirement engineering is a process of gathering, analyzing, documenting, validating, and managing requirements. The main goal of requirement engineering is to clearly understand the customer requirements and systematically organize these requirements in SRS. Related to here, these requirements purpose. Process requirements describe the activities which are carried out by the developing organization. Mainly there are three categories of requirements like business requirements, user and system requirements, and functional and non-functional requirements. Related to here, business requirements. First of all, understanding the business rules or the process of organization is vital to software development. And one more is business requirement define the project goal and the expected business benefit for doing the project. The enterprise mission values, priorities, and strategies must be known to understand the business requirements that cover higher level data models and scope of the models. The business analyst is well versed in understanding the concept of business flow as well as the process being followed in the organization. The business analyst guides the clients through the complex process that elicits the requirements of the business. Here, user requirements are the high level abstract statements supplied by the customers, end users, or other stakeholders. These requirements are translated into system requirements, keeping in mind users' view. Here, these requirements are generally represented in some natural languages with pictorial representations or table to understand the requirements. User requirements may be ambiguous or incomplete in description with less product specifications and little hardware software configurations are stated in the user requirements. There may be composite requirements with several complexities and confusions. In an ATM machine, user requirements allows user to withdraw and deposit cash. Here, system requirements. System requirements are detailed and technical functionalities written in a systematic manner that are implemented in the business process to achieve the goal of user requirements. These are considered as a contract between the clients and development organization. Here, contracts between the clients and development organization. System requirements are often expressed as a document in a structured manner using technical representation. The system requirement is considered as customer ID, account type, bank name, costume, PIN, communication link, hardware and software. Also, an ATM will service one customer at a time. Functional requirements. Functional requirements are the behavior or functions that the system must support. These are the attributes that characterize what the software does to fill the needs of the customer. These can be business rules, administrative tasks, transactions, cancellations, authentications, authorizations, external interfaces, legal or regularity requirements, audit, tracking, certification, reporting requirements, and historical data. Here, non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirement specifies how a system must behave. These are qualities, standards, constraints upon the system services that are specified with respect to a product, organization, and external environment. Non-functional requirements are related to functional requirements, that is, how efficiently, by how much volume, how fast, at what quality, how safely, etc. A function is performed by a particular system. The example of non-functional requirements are reliability, maintainability, performance, usability, security, scalability, capacity, availability, recoverability, serviceability, etc. Thank you.